By using that seeing, hearing, and doing technique, we can now have these amazing action alphabet characters come to the vowel kingdom. They are wreaking havoc and causing mischief. So let's find out how they do that. So for example, A and I get together, and the vowel from behind loves to blame the vowel in front. So today they're pouring paint down the drain, and the maid asks, "Who poured paint down my drain?" I points to A and says, A poured paint down the drain. So they're going to literally take their finger and point to the vowel in front. That same concept can be applied after they hear the story. They can read these words. I is going to point to A and say aid. And I doesn't want to get in trouble, so he doesn't say anything. Aim, and so forth. Or they're trying to eat the tea and the leaves are on the ground, and A's pointing to E and said, E spilled your tea, and E didn't rake the leaves. Later on, we've got little ninja E, silent ninja E. He again doesn't want to get caught, and he sneaks around a consonant letter and points to A. And so when they're at the zoo and the zookeeper asks, "Who gave grapes to an ape?" silent E is pointing to A and says, A gave grapes to an ape. Look over here. Again, when the children are reading set 1 and set 2, they can take that same arrow and blame the vowel in front. Little ache. And E doesn't want to get caught, so he's super quiet. Then Y is acting as a vowel here, and Y is blaming A when they're spraying the classroom and causing their crayons to fall over the floor. The teacher asks, "Who made this mess?" Y points to A and says A did it. There's so many letter vowels in this Vowel Kingdom book, and it's fun to read all about the mischief that they cause. Once they're a little bit more advanced, they can even see how the wicked witch casts a spell on G and makes G say J when followed by an I, Y, or E, as in giraffe, gypsy, and gem. I hope you enjoy reading and helping your child be more successful when using this Vowel Kingdom book.